Hello there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Look at how beautiful these thank you labels are. I am so pleased with them. Honestly, I think that a beautiful touch, like a little label, sticker, whatever you want to call it, is so nice. I used them to add a little something special to a baby shower favor. I wanted to thank everybody for coming, and these were the stickers to do it. They're absolutely beautiful in their color choice, but my favorite part is that gold gilding. Thank you is written in the most beautiful and still legible script font. I am so grateful I found these because now I know that I have these versatile labels for a very long time. There is a lot more in this roll than is what I actually needed for that particular baby shower, but these are so pretty. I can't wait to put them on thank you card envelopes. I can't wait to use them for every little note even that I want to thank somebody just for working a little extra. These are such a great choice. The size is perfect. They work as a seal if you really need to for an envelope or even just to fold over a plastic little baggie. I love them so much. They were so great. They worked so well. And that's my point of view.